my mango, pineapple, and cucumber juice. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a mango pineapple cucumber juice. Here I have some frozen pineapple and mango and cucumber. I have 2 tablespoons of sugar. I have some ginger and some turmeric here. I have my water, my pattern strainer, and I have my bullets. So I'm gonna get started. I add my fruits, guys. Fruits. Okay. Gonna add my ginger and turmeric. Okay. Add my sugar. So guys, you can use granulated sugar or you can not use any sugar at all based on your favorites or your taste. If you don't want to use the sugar, that's fine, but if you want to use it, you can go ahead. You can use this one or the granulated one. Okay guys, I'm gonna add my water. I'm gonna cover this. And then I'm going to blend. And that's it guys, all done. My finished product. I'm gonna strain this now. Also, that could even make a smoothie with those fruits together, fruits and vegetables together. Okay guys, I'm gonna strain this. So rich, so I'm gonna have to add some water to this. Alright, so I'm gonna give it another strain or 2, and then my juice is ready. Okay. And there you have it, guys, my mango pineapple cucumber juice. Go ahead and try it. It's all natural. If you don't want the sugar, you can omit the sugar and just have a natural tasting juice. Look at the color, the ginger and the turmeric makes it, look at it, turmeric give it a good color. And you know, turmeric is good for us, and in this time we need to strengthen our immune system because of COVID-19. We want to resist it, so let's drink up our juice, guys. If you don't eat mangoes, you can drink it. You don't have to eat your fruits, you can drink it. So blend up those fruits, guys, and get healthy. All right, so this is good for the entire family. You can do it for your Sunday dinner, you can do it for any time. Okay, guys, go ahead, guys, look at that color. I am proud of myself. Look at that color, guys, it's so pretty. Yes, guys, go ahead and chill this or add some ice to it and just consume. Okay, it's nice and refreshing. Let me taste this for you. Lovely, and the turmeric give it a different taste, guys. So go ahead and try it. You will love it. The children will love it. Everyone will love it. So yummy. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends and families. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you for the support. Continue to watch it, and please remember to watch it to the end, and you might just miss something. Okay, guys, so until next time, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.